Today we are here in 9C of Shanti Namuna Secondary School, and in our last videos our student presented different presentation about different types of business. Today rest of the teams are going to present their presentation. So let's begin the activity. Go.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Lisa Chan from class 9C. Today I am here with my friend Shobha Paul for presentation. It is about manufacturing industry, the process of converting raw materials to create useful product for sale, involving from design to final assembly. Now I am calling Kusun for it.
Manufactures automotive, food and beverage, chemical, cutting from wood or metals. And now I am calling on the director. Economics, growth and job ability, requirement and contribution, economic activities in creating environment and increase wealth. Whether I will call Shobha Power.
Impact, job risks, working condition, quality controls, changes. Thank you.
Start.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Pujya Kumar and Miss Monisha. Today we are going to present our presentation about construction industry. Construction industry is concerned with constructing construction work service including architecture, engineering, project management and construction trades such as carpentry, plumbing, electrical work and more. Construction of buildings, road and bridge construction. Its characters are large and heavy, expensive, and production determine different types of product, dominated by very large company, very large
Communication, infrastructure development, technological advantage, disadvantage, high cost, labor shortage, regular challenges, environmental impact.
Very good. Clap for them, all of you. Very nice. Very nice.
Hello everyone, I am Mahima Sarke and today me and my friends Pavitra and Vidisha, we are here to discuss some things about the extractive industry. The extractive industry is an industry in which renewable resources like oil, gas and many others from the earth. It is a primary pillar of the global economy, providing the raw materials and the extractive industry where some of solid coal, iron, gold, copper, etc., oil and gas, the exploration and drilling for liquid petroleum and natural gas. Some features of extractive industries. First point is economic value, and our second point is job opportunities. That means it creates the job opportunities for people. After that, third point is government involvement. Also, this institution also can be government or food. Fourth point is capital and technology, and our last point is foreign investment. That means it also have investment from foreign countries too. Extractive industries are its activities which are mining, agriculture, fishing and numbering. Thank you.
Okay, one presentation. Industry, so you can start your presentation about genetic industry.
Hello everyone, it's me Parvati. My friend we are present about genetic industry. Genetic industry is a sector that deals genetic and biotechnology, modify and apply including plants and germ for medical, horticultural and industry purposes, pharmaceutical. The science of example of chemical industry, medical industry, agricultural industry, pharmaceutical industry.
Very good. What presentation called? One, two, three, go.
Hello dear teachers and students, today I will explain the concept of Head-to-Tail. Head-to-Tail refers to financial and technical assistance given by the government to help developing countries improve their ability to trade, especially international trade. Main objectives of Head-to-Tail: improve export performance, reduce trade-related cost, strengthen infrastructure, helps countries benefit from global trade.
Type of trade to trade. Trade policy and regulation. Training on trade law. Support for two agreement. Custom modernization. Trade in infrastructure. Road, airports.
Online or dry port to easy export, improving customs system, importance of air to trade, promote economic growth, and reduce poverty. Thank you.
To trade newspaper or
Over.
Hello everyone, it's me Anmol Sharma and this is Basant Pandey, Vishal Acharya and Aman Thari. And our team is gonna present about export trade. So let's start it. Export trade is a special type of international trade. In this trade, a country imports goods from one foreign country and export some goods to another foreign country without any kind of manufacturing or process. The country involves interport trade. Interport trade is a type of international trade in which a country imports goods from a foreign country and re-export the same to another foreign. And Basant.
international trade activities, processes of goods as from a foreign country, goods as into the member country. Imported goods are stored high transport cost and high risk to damage our materials and heavy defense on foreign country, and you see on the paper. Increase national income.
Thank you.
My name is Balan Pandit. I am talking about service business. Service business is providing tangible value action or cleaning or teeth supports their physical goods on customer can experiment skills or solutions making the client's life easy and advantage their goals.
Business intangibility. Service cannot be touched, seen, felt, heard, or smelled before they are purchased. Variability. The quality of a service can change significantly depending on who provides it when and where. Other you can see in the chart. No ownership transfer. When customer pays for a service, they gain access to it or benefit from it, but they do not gain ownership of the service. Thus you can see in the chart. Now next to
I am going to talk about service, about the business plan and summary. In a business plan, the final section is obtain the financial projection. Financial projection of the overall purpose is encapsulated for the executive summary, which provides a brief overview of all major points of the document. This summary acts as short pitch for the business plan.
Oh.
Hello everyone, it's me Namita Sharma from grade 9C. Today I am here with my friend Kriti. To describe shortly about the service business. Apart from industry and commerce, the business also includes some other service enterprises which involves in providing different kind of service to earning profit. They do not involve in buying and selling goods, but they are involved in providing services to the customers. So here are some examples of service business: professional service, healthcare and hospitality, accounting firms and digital marketing agencies. In personal service we have hair salon, cleaning services and landscaping. Healthcare, in healthcare
requires minimal inventory equipment with or physical space, making it easier to establish. Flexibility and stability can often operate remotely and adapt quickly to market trends. High demand services are always needed from different schools. Specialized expertise, profit potential can have high profit margins as the main expense is labor, which is paid after service delivery. Disadvantage of service business: inconsistent cost flow, harder to value, labor intensive, no physical product. Thank you.
Thank you. 3 to 1, Nanda.
Go!
Okay. Within these days, I think within a week, our students have prepared well about different type of business, and there they learn each of the topic very effectively by searching the content from different sources. And other rest of the students listen about this. We did this activity in C and D section. I hope it is more effective for you. Is it, my dear students?
Yes.